నమస్తే A1 శ్రీ మీడియాకు స్వాగతం. ప్రతిక్షణం సామాన్యుల పక్షం నేటి వార్తా విశేషాలు.
Good evening. My name is Bharani, Sri Satya Sai District OBC District Chairman. Today I would like to speak about the recent and unfortunate incident that took place in the Kuppam constituency, which I believe the serious about and a threat to our democratic values. During the Kuppam election, Dalit woman named Sridevi, who has contesting for the Congress party, forcefully objected by some individually associated with the Telugu Desam party. They snatched away her nomination papers and ration card papers, which he is able to process for the nomination process. They took all the papers from the Sridevi ma'am. This is not the correct way to provide all the things, right? Because we are in India, it is the democracy country. Democracy means who had value all the human values and respect each and everyone. But recent time they are not in the country, they did not process about it, they did not value about the human values and democracy values. Because in Andhra Pradesh, we are in the like a BJP and Janasena, who had built one committee. They are processing for the new upcoming values or things. But right now, it is not up to that mark. Because in Kuppam, the lady Congress party leader Sridevi Garu, she has to suppose and a nominator for the MPTC position. But on that time, the Telugu Desam party leaders they snatched away the papers about the processing for the nomination process. It is not that much of correct way, because if they are in the same party also, they could not able to sustain in same constituency. How can they will do all the things in other constituency? Because Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu is the he is the MLA for the Kuppam. But right now in Kuppam only they are doing this kind of unbelievable things. As a woman, I am also critically obsessed with these things, because we are for one nation who had respect each and every party ethics and culture. So we have to continue with all the support, and we have to measure all the things about the humans with they are telling, like Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu told like lot of times, they would like to encourage women and men all the things, but in the same constituency they are doing unbelievable things. It is not that much of correct way. So I conclude, I believe everyone has the constitution right to contest in electronic without fear or obstruction. Attempts to suppress with that rights or against the spirit of democracy. So we as responsible citizens, we must raise our voice to protect fairness, justice and democracy integrity. Good evening. Jai Congress. My name is Bharani, Sri Satya Sai District OBC District Chairman. Today I would like to speak about the recent and unfortunate incident that took place in the Kuppam constituency, which believe